In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Acuity scheduling account. Whether you're simplifying your digital life or simply no longer in need of their services, deleting an online account should be straightforward and painless. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, to ensure you can close your Acuity account without any hassle. First, we'll start by navigating to the Acuity scheduling website. This is your starting point where you'll begin the process of saying goodbye to your account. Once the web page loads, look for the login button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this button is your first step into the account deletion process. After clicking the login button, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Be sure to type in the email associated with your Acuity account to avoid any confusion or access issues down the line. This step is crucial as it verifies your identity and ensures the security of your account. Once you've entered your email, you'll see a Next button that you should click to proceed. Acuity scheduling offers a streamlined login process, including the option to continue with Google. If your Acuity account is linked to your Google account, select Continue with Google for a faster login experience. This is especially useful if you're someone who prefers to keep login processes efficient and minimally complex. Next, select the Google account you wish to use. This step is only applicable if you have multiple Google accounts or if you're not already logged into your Google account in your browser. Choosing the correct Google account will carry forward the authentication process smoothly. With the login process completed, it's now time to head over to your profile settings. You'll find your profile at the bottom of the page. Look for a user icon or your account name. Clicking on it should bring up a menu with several options. Within this profile menu, you'll see an option for Account Settings. Click on this to delve into the various settings and preferences related to your account. This is where you can adjust anything from personal information to subscription settings. However, we're here to focus on the more permanent action of account deletion. Inside the account settings, you'll find a section labeled Account and Security. This is where Acuity scheduling centralizes all security-related settings, including password changes, two-factor authentication, and yes, account deletion. Once you're in the account and security settings, look for a delete account option. It's a significant step, and as such, it's usually not immediately prominent to prevent accidental deletions. Be sure of your decision here, as this action is often irreversible. After deciding to proceed with account deletion, Acuity will likely ask you to verify your identity once more. This is a security measure that protects your account from unauthorized deletions. For those who've used Google to log in, you'll see an option to continue with Google for verification. This seamless link back to Google ensures that the deletion process is secure and that it's indeed you making this request. Finally, the last step involves verifying your account one last time to confirm the deletion. This might feel repetitive, but it's all about maintaining the highest security standards. Acuity wants to make absolutely sure that it's you requesting the account deletion, safeguarding against any potential regret or mishaps. And there you have it. Following through these steps will lead you to successfully delete your Acuity scheduling account. Remember, taking these actions means you'll lose access to any data or scheduling capabilities linked to your account. It's a good idea to ensure you've backed up or transferred any necessary information before completing the deletion process. In conclusion, while it's always a bit sad to say goodbye, sometimes it's necessary to close accounts we no longer use or need. By following the steps we've outlined today, you can ensure that your departure from Acuity scheduling is smooth and secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips on managing your digital life efficiently and safely. Thanks for watching and take care.